going to get into traveling steps. We will do 3 basic travel steps found in belly dance: the Egyptian walk, the V-step, and the Algerian walk. Let's get started. Feet below the hips, bend the knees, tuck the pelvis under, rib cage up, shoulders back, arms in second position. Starting in a plied position, with the right foot, we're going to touch and close. Touch forward and close. A slight lean in there will help. Lean slightly, touch. Good. Touch and close. Now you're going to add a hip lift. Hip lift and close. Hip lift and close. So this is an accent coming from thrusting the hip up, squeezing the glute. Bump and close. Good. Bump and close. Foot right in front. Last time. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And bump and bump. Good. Egyptian walk. Good. Bump. Keep those feet synchronized. Gentle push off the floor. Toes pointed. Hip forward. Be careful of a twist. No twist for now. Just a gentle hip lift. Good. Arms out, chest up, apple under the chin. Good. Moving. Give me 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Now we're going to add the arms. Left arm touching the temple. Right arm straight in front. Let's switch. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Good. 1 and 2. Last time. Let's add the feet. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Good. Step together, bump. Step together, bump. Step together, bump. Good. One more time. And faster. Bump. Good. Bump and bump. Good. Be careful. Keep those hands gentle. No hands to the front of the mirror. Hands facing down. Elbows up and back. Nice. Good. And push. And push. Good. Now let's travel back with this. 4, 3, 2. Let's travel forward. And forward, 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 and back. Step. Bump, step, bump, step, bump, and forward step, bump, and bump. Last time, and release. Take a deep breath up. Nice. Egyptian walk. Now we're going to do a variation of the Egyptian walk, the V-step, and we're going to start it in place. Stepping out to the side, closing together. Left foot. Stepping out to the side and closing. A little faster. And touch and close and touch. Now add a little hip lift. Bump and close. Push and close. Good. Push and close. Nice. Now we're going to start to cross. Bump, cross in front. Bump, cross in front. Bump, cross in front. Bump. Now we go back. Good. And back. Bump and back. Bump and back. Last time. And forward. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. And cross and bump. Cross and bump. Good. Step and bump. Last time. And back. Good. Cross and push. Don't forget about the hip accent. Squeeze the glute. 5 and 6. Now we're going to speed it up. Travel forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now back. Step, bump, step, bump, step, bump, forward, and cross, bump, cross, bump, and back. Good. Cross, touch, touch. Last time, and freeze. Arms. One arm touching the temple, one arm out to the side. Up and switch like windshield wipers. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Good. Hold it here. Let's try it. Up to speed. Let's go. And cross, bump, cross, bump, cross, bump, and back. And step, touch, step, touch. Good. 2 more forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. And release. Good, deep breath. Nice. Exhale. Excellent. Now we're going to finish with the Algerian walk. Feet below the hips, knees extremely bent, pelvis tucked, rib cage up, shoulders back, and arms in second position are balanced. We're going to start with a march. Give me march and march. It's right foot, it's left foot. Now I want you to stay earthy and grounded so your upper body doesn't change level. Everything is straight, okay? So we're not going up and down, only low. Nice, good. Step. Now we're going to add a little crescent of the hip. Try it with me. Give me a crescent, a crescent. It's a little twist and a drop. Twist, drop, twist, drop. Lift, drop, lift, drop. Remember those crescents that we already learned? Let's apply those now. Lift that hip up over a hurdle. Good. Up over a hurdle. And drop. Nice. Twist. Your belly button should be going diagonal, diagonal. It's a hold and a hold. It's sharp. It's sharp. Good. 5, 6. Nice. Keep it going. A little pivot in the foot, a little release will help. Good. Twist. Down, up, down, back to front, back to front. Good. 5, 6. Now if you'd like, you can try this up to tempo, which we call the Algerian shimmy. Let's try it. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Algerian shimmy. Let those hips go. Good. And 5, and 6, and 7. Take a break. Deep breath up. And release. Nice. And we're done with our traveling steps. Good job, girls.